Hi, um, my name is Blanca, and I am a financial and real estate advisor or agent. And I wanted to talk to you about reverse mortgages. I just want to give you like brief, basic information about what it is, and if this might be a good vehicle for you to protect your money and protect your wealth. So I am going to talk to you about the state of the economy. As you know, it is not doing really well. So I know a lot of seniors and a lot of people are kind of worried about what's going to happen with the housing market. And then many seniors, because they already retire and they have a fixed income, they are clearly very worried about you know their financials, and we don't want our baby boomers and their families to be worried about things like that. So we want to bring information that might be useful, might be considered, might be something that you might look or take a look and see if that might help you or help your family member, maybe decide if this might be a good way to protect your house, protect your assets, and maybe this is a good vehicle for you or for them. So they stop worrying, and maybe they want to pay medical bills, or they want to downsize on a home because they have a big home and now they need to downsize, because of medical reasons, or because they just want to downsize to a smaller home. So anyway, so what is a reverse mortgage? So it says that, how can you use a reverse mortgage too? It says that non-monthly mortgage payments are made for life, but you, as the homeowner, you are still responsible for paying the property taxes and the homeowner's insurance. If you don't pay the property taxes and the homeowner's insurance, then you are risking foreclosure. So remember that, okay? So now the other thing is that reverse mortgages might be a way to access the equity of your home. Maybe the extra money, if you downsize, or maybe there is money after you do the reverse mortgage, there's money left. You could use that money to make payments for other things, or just enjoy that extra money that might be available for you. So reverse mortgages are also tax-free cash out for healthcare or any other wish you desire, and they are if this is an insured loan, right, by the U.S. government. And when you take on a reverse mortgage, one of the conditions is for you to meet with a HUD counselor, which is a housing and urban development counselor that is provided by the U.S. government. So they can talk to you and and make ask you questions about if you understand the process of the reverse mortgage, and then they explain you what it is, how it works, and what are you going to be responsible of, which is the property taxes and homeowners insurance. And then they will explain you all the other details, and then you can decide whether or not this will be a good fit for you, or a good fit for a family member that might need this service. So, with that being said, I'm just providing this as an information basis. Mario Manzanilla, which is my lender, and he's the specialist on reverse mortgages. He's the one that will be talking to you, and he will explain to you, if you qualify, what are the requirements, and he will also, tell you about if this, might be a good thing for you or no. Remember, this program is for at least 62 years old person, and if they're a married couple and one of them might be younger, talk to Mario. He will tell you, if you still qualify or if they don't qualify, because it depends on age. And I think he's the one that you need to talk to. And Mario Manzanilla is available via email at mario@rate1financial.com. And you can also call him at 626-755-9506. And like I said, email him first, mario@rate1financial.com, because as you know, uh, there is a lot of phone calls, and there is a lot of things going on, so he wants to make sure that he gets your email, and that way you can put your name, your phone number, and he knows for sure that you're trying to reach him, and that you're a human. You're not like a robot making robot calls or anything like that. Okay, so anyways, so we bring this to you as an informational section for you. And so if you decide to learn more about what it is, we just interview Mary Manzanilla in our podcast, and we also did a video, and he explained what a reverse mortgages and who qualifies, and he explains in the video everything about the basic stuff that you need to know, and then you can decide whether or not this will be good for you, and just give him a call, and he can be more specific on a case by case scenario. So he will run the stats. He will tell you, based on your information, based on the information you provide, and the things that he will ask you, then he can better assist you, and he will be upfront with you whether or not this will be good for you or not, and then you can decide too. And one more thing is the head counselor will also speak to you, to make sure that you understood everything and that you're ready to go with the program. Okay, so if you want to watch that video where Mario speaks about the reverse mortgages, then go to my webpage, www.blancaprofessionalservice.com, and click on YouTube video, and the recent video where Mario Manzanilla says reverse mortgage with Mario Manzanilla, and watch that video for more information. And then you can call him or email him at mario@ray1financial.com, or call him 626-755-9506. So anyways, I want to provide a value for you and your family. So this is just basic information, and just trying to connect you with experts on the field. And so Mario is a reverse mortgage specialist, and he'll be able to help you and explain you the program better than anything else. Okay, so with that being said, I will say goodbye and to your success.